All right. Hi, we are Mastertech AI, and we're using AI to make auto repair faster, easier, and safer for shops and DIYers. Meet Will. He is an auto technician and one of our real customers that's working at Davis Repair. For his work, Will needs to be able to service any of the 60,000 unique models of vehicles that exist in the US today, including the Subaru Outback that came in with a clicking engine noise. However, with current software solutions, he needs to read through a lot of full technical documents himself to find the service information that he needs. As a result, Will often just relies on his personal experience, but with the shortage of qualified technicians in the industry, vehicles are often misdiagnosed and repairs are done incorrectly. With Mastertech AI, Will just needs to enter the vehicle VIN, and Mastertech AI will aggregate thousands of service documents for this specific Subaru. With the help of our AI copilot, Will can easily root cause this issue by entering the symptoms of engine clicking noise. He sees all of the known issues for engine noise for this particular model. Mastertech AI then asks follow-up questions back to Will, such as, under what conditions does this clicking noise occur, to further narrow down the root cause. Mastertech will then confirm the diagnosis, and Will sees that there is a specific TSB that can address this issue along with the parts necessary for the job. Based on that TSB, he then needs to perform a cylinder head replacement, and Mastertech will provide him with step-by-step factory procedures based on his level of experience. Will can also enter VIN and mileage to discover overdue services for this Subaru. With this, our shops are discovering and converting an additional $600 worth of services per vehicle. We have established a number of industry partnerships, including with Carfax for the vehicle service history data. We also have data licensing agreements for over 90 vehicle makes. We launched our B2B product in May, and since then, we have 37 shops on active monthly subscription and one contract with an automotive technical school. Our customers love that we're making shops operate with higher accuracy and efficiency, especially as vehicles are becoming increasingly more complex. There are over 240,000 auto repair shops in the US, and that's just our initial ICP. To get to 10 million AR, we'll just need under 2,800 shops. To get to 100 million AR, just need under 28,000 shops. For our product roadmap, we plan on enhancing the OEM data with user-submitted content for confirmed fixes, essentially becoming the Stack Overflow for automotive repair. We also plan on leaning into voice and camera-based assistance, as well as expanding into adjacent verticals like the HVAC industry. We are the only product in market that puts intelligence on top of automotive repair data. Our team consists of myself, 17 years of engineering experience leading teams at Microsoft and Niantic. Dave and Mitch have a combined 32 years of experience in auto repair industry. Thank you. We are Mastertech AI, and we're using AI to make auto repair faster, easier, and safer for shops and DIYers.
All right. Thanks, Linda. Let's take a couple questions from our judges. We'll start with you, Gary.
Great pitch, Linda. I guess my first question would be around the data set. I imagine you need some proprietary data to stay away from the pack here. How do you do that?
All right, we'll take another question. And syndicate members, just to remind you, there's a Q&A box. If you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and drop them there. Katie, how about you?
Great job, Linda. I'd love to learn a little bit more about your ICP. What kinds of shops, what size of shops, locations of shops, the type of buyer, and what kind of software tools do they currently use?
All right, awesome. You have 2 minutes for those questions, Linda.
Awesome. Yeah. Thank you so much for the questions. Gary, so regarding the data set that we have, we have a couple of different sets of data. The primary data that we are using, which is the service data for specific vehicles. So that is not public. That is, that is something that we have to get licensing deals with OEMs through our data aggregator provider. And there is a pretty high barrier to entry to get access to this data, both in terms of the licensing costs, but also in terms of the data compliance requirements that OEMs have, because they're very sensitive to the data being used in the correct way in terms of liability or leakage of sensitive material that's trained in the public models. So we have gotten the vast majority of the approvals that we need, and we are just securing the final 2 OEM data that we need right now. And the other sets of data we're integrating with shop management systems, so being able to access the shop history records, the customer records, vehicle history, etc. Also with Carfax, as well as our user content submission pipeline, which will be proprietary to us, so that we can enhance the platform the more that our users use it. So Katie, regarding our ICP, so right now For the market that we're targeting, the ICP is for the independent auto repair shops. 240,000 of just on that side. Although there are other other businesses like used car dealers, automotive technical schools as well as other businesses that can use our product as well. On the independent side, we are currently targeting small to medium chains of shop. So starting sort of mid-market and then moving up market to the larger enterprise chains that have thousands of locations in the country. And we're already piloting in some of those larger chains.